Test your skills. 30 future perfect tense quiz. Let's start. By this time next year, my degree. By the time he arrives, we the meeting. They in this city for 10 years. She the report by the time the boss comes in. By the time you read this, I already left. They finish the project by next month. I the book by the end of the week. By 9 p.m. tonight, my homework. She the documents by the time the meeting starts. By the time I get there, the decision. My goals by the end of this year. By the time the train leaves, our tickets. He the results by the time we meet. We the task by the end of the day. By next summer, they their house. I the documents before the deadline. By the time she arrives, we the food. I to the store before 7 p.m. By the time you wake up, I already left. We in this city for 15 years. By tomorrow, I the package. We the new software by next week. By next Monday, they the project. She all the files by the time we start. By the time he finishes work, my lunch. By the end of this month, all my assignments. By next year, they the new product. By 2024, my research. By the time I call, they the meeting. By the time you arrive, I all the shopping. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English quizzes every week.